My name is Bertus Van Staden. I'm a global delivery manager at BUI, so from a project and support, all those functions falls with me. So I was overarching, looking at making sure everything runs fine, but I've had a great team that was running it for me. I think it stood out for me. We were quite worried when we started off with the project. We were worried about the collaboration. We had different entities from a first technology group, from lots of people in the city of Cape Town. So it's a lot of different moving parts, different people. But it was amazing, the collaboration, first of all, within the first technology group and BUI, and also City, the different departments in City. I don't think we would have been able to push this over, especially if you look at the numbers that we achieved without that collaboration.